This exercise is intended to intensify your 90-90 breathing a millionfold. You will also get an amazing workout in your butt and your quads here. So try this out if you can. So back up against a wall and put your feet slightly than your hip width apart and grab something that you can squeeze between your legs, such as a rolled up towel or a ball or a foam roller, and drop down into a comfortable squat. And keep your feet slightly behind your knees in this particular exercise and place your hand behind your back so that you can kind of feel the movement of your breath here. And we're going to start with breathing first and just focus on your inhale. Be sure that on your inhale, you're crushing your hand to the wall on that great full back body expansion. And then take a nice, long, slow exhale. Work on getting those ribs down. And you should feel a little pressure against your hand as you exhale. Squeeze those legs together and draw up that pelvic floor. And you want to keep the weight even between the balls of your feet and your toes. And it should be working your inner thighs more than your quads, especially if you're getting a really good squeeze. And of course, the pelvic floor should be drawing up like usual on the exhale, and your hip flexors should be relaxed during this exercise.